So I'm gonna start recording right here. 1 2 3 1 2 3. Okay, we are live. Okay, so now I'm gonna. All right. Okay, there we go. They're giving me a lot of sass, but whatever, it's fine. So select date. We're gonna go to March. We're gonna go to March right here. March, March 3rd. Okay, so first thing we're gonna do here is I'm gonna go to 8:30 a.m. I'm just gonna see if they have data wicks, right? So 8:30 a.m. I'm gonna be going 8:30 a.m. Here we are. Let's see if it looks like we have data wicks. Okay, let me go live right here, full screen. Good. Okay, let me go put ES on the 1 minute. All right, March 3rd a.m. does not look like it has data wicks, so I will be just skipping ahead to 9:30 a.m. Yeah, that's not a data wick, so I'm gonna go ahead and skip this to 9:30 a.m. So let's just run it. All right, so there is 9:30 a.m. right there. Okay. All right. Can this stop? Calm down. Okay, we're there. Okay. So first thing we're gonna do is mark our hourly swing highs, hourly swing lows. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, we got an hourly swing low right over here. We got another hourly swing low right over here, right? So this is March 3rd. Obviously, I don't remember March 3rd. So anything I say here is gonna be authentic and it's gonna be like how I would react to it in real time, right? So I'm gonna do the same thing on ES. Whatever you gotta do to NQ, you gotta do to ES. So here we go. Okay, ES is also taking out this. Ooh, I like this. It looks like ES might have missed this hourly swing low that we took out on NQ. So we do have a bullish SMT right there. But we also took out this hourly swing low as well. So longs are super valid over here. Yeah, and we're also tapping into an hourly bullish for rally gap. So I'm definitely looking for longs over here. So okay, so I'm gonna fast forward price over here. Give me 1 second. Let me go down to the 1 minute here. So fast forwarding price over here. Let's see how we do. Come on, come on, come on. Sweep out those lows. Okay, there we go. Those lows are swept. So we're definitely looking for longs now. Definitely looking for longs now. Let's see if we get a reaction. Come on. Okay, so something. 30 second. Oh, I can't use the 30 second. God damn it. 2 minute time frame. 3 minute time frame. 3 minute gap. Ah, kind of tiny, no. See what it is. 3 2 4 2. Actually, no, not tiny. It only looks tiny, but it's like 24 point gap, so it's not tiny at all. All right, so we're gonna take this. 100% gonna take this. Hourly swing, overnight lows just swept on both tickers. So definitely a valid long over here. Plus, we just made a bullish order block, so I will have no problem taking this. So let's do this. 3 minute long over here. Okay, that's exactly what I wanted to see. Another bullish order block. Okay, okay. Okay, bullish order block again. There we go. There's entry right there. So yeah, I'm going to take this long over here. Can you stop? Okay. So I'm going to go to MNQ on this real quick. So you guys can see like how it would look like with like real risk. MNQ futures right there. Okay, beautiful. Okay, it's on the same thing. All right, so yeah, this is what I'm going to take here. Stop. Bro, trading view pisses me off. Okay. So I'm in on MNQ. Remember, I risk like I'm on 150K, so I'll risk like $650 per gap. Oh my god! And of course, it's just gonna stop me out for absolutely no reason. Okay, so I'm so one, bro. For the love of Christ! 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, so yeah, this seems pretty valid here. Okay, so that's 6 micros, so risking $650 over here. Let's see how it does. I'm in there. Bullish order block. Beautiful bullish order block right off the bat. Okay, so I'm happy now. We got a beautiful bullish order block right off there. What am I up right now? Ooh, I'm up decent. I'm up decent. What? I'm up pretty well. Okay, so I'm definitely trimming half. This is a winning play right off the bat. One, two, three. Okay, I just trimmed half right there. I made 300. Okay, this red number on the bottom is inaccurate because it stopped me out for. That's a huge SL. You got to size for under the gap, no? I always do this because I don't like to hold for manipulation. I would rather watch price just hit me out. All right, here. Maybe in real time I wouldn't do that big. Here, let's try it again. Okay, can this stop? Please, Trinity, stop fucking with me. Okay, putting SL at the bottom, just like that. Three. Fuck you, man. One, two, three, five, five. Okay, there we go. Stop. Okay, so now we're gonna go and see this. Okay, boom, bullish order block. I trim half. Okay, so what's half of 7? I obviously can't trim 3.5 micros. So what I'm gonna do is what am I gonna do here? Uh, what am I gonna do? Oh yeah, I usually just do one more micro than half, right? So instead of trimming 3, I'll just trim 4. It better to be safe than sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I just made like $325 on that, and I'm gonna move stop to break even here. So now, okay, so I'm up $320, and now we're gonna see what happens next. Okay, I'm probably gonna look to trail stop along something. Not really much to trail. Oh, there's this. Let's see if we can get a swing low on the 1 minute here. I would like a swing low on the 1 minute because then I would just trail stop along it. Let's see if we can get it. No swing low. Fuck. Damn. Is there like a 2 minute fair value gap or something? Yeah, there's no swing low over here, so I'm still gonna be in this trade. Let's see. Okay, that's good. Okay, just starting to chop. Yeah, okay, I might break even there, but I mean, it's a winner. At the very least, it's a winner. I just couldn't find anything to trail stop along. I'd probably have trailed it like in some profit, but yeah. Let me see. Oh, maybe I would have. Yeah, nah. Okay, so I'm out there break even. Let's see what happens next. Let's see what happens next over here. Of course you make a goddamn order block, you piece of shit. Okay, so I'm getting back in here. Risking profits, I'm going to get back on this order block. So let's see. 1, 2, 3. Let's see. Okay. 4, 5. Wait, no. Because I'm only risking profits, right? I'm only risking profits here. Hey, you take care, Bray. No worries, brother. So I'm gonna risk profits here, and I made 340 bucks. So now we'll see how it goes. Nice. There we go. We're back. We're back in the game. So how much am I up right now? Okay, so my fill is there. Let's see, my fill is there. Where's 1R? Oh, I'm already at 1R, it seems. Okay, what? I'm at 0.91, nerd. So I'm just gonna go trim half. 1, 2. So now I just made. Okay, 150 plus 320 is what? I failed math. 400, 500, $500. So I'm gonna trail stop, stop and break even here, and I am green, and I'm gonna be done for the day. I'm green $500. So now let's see what happens. Okay, you are a whore. Okay, I'm out there break even again. So whatever. I mean, I'm done for the day. Let's see what happens. So now it just decides to chop. Okay, buddy. Okay, this is chop. It just looks like chop. I mean, I'm not gonna take anything else. I think $500 more is good enough for me to be done. But yeah, that's just clearly chop. All right. I mean, still a win is a win. So I'm gonna be done there, and I'm gonna avoid all of this BSPA. This is ugly, 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 ugly. This is just sideways PA after the initial move up. So I'm gonna be done there, and we're gonna move on to Tuesday. So today's what? March. Today's what? March 3rd is green. Okay, let me go write this down, guys. Yeah, give me a second. Oh, I forgot I had a keyboard. I forgot I had a computer and I could just type it out. But no, I pulled out a notebook instead. Whatever. March 3rd, $500. So March 3rd, I made $500. Okay. Now let's go to March 6th. Let's go to 9:30 a.m. Okay, first I'm gonna do 8:30 a.m. Just see if we have data wicks, right? What do we have? Gonna go down to the 1 minute time frame. Let's see, there we go. Okay, let's see if it's a data wick. That's not a data wick. Okay, so now I'm gonna, okay, I gotta change this to ES too. Okay, ES. All right, so now I'm just gonna speed this up to 9:30 a.m. Select date. March 4th. 9:30 a.m. There we go. Select. Okay, here we go. Okay, so that's, let me see it in Q2. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to mark out my hourly swing highs, swing lows, and I'm going to mark out the 50% of the range. So let's see how it goes. I'm going to go to the hourly time frame. Literally no more sell side. Was this a tariff time? Oh yeah, this was tariff time. So it was a straight dumping with no kind of retracement. So okay, whatever. We're gonna go. That's an hourly swing high. I'm gonna mark that out. I don't think we're gonna get any kind of retracement here. It doesn't look like we care about any retracements. Probably maybe we get a 50% tap on this day. So, or maybe an SMT kind of play. Here, let's go. So now I'm gonna go down to maybe the 15-minute time frame and mark out the 50% of the range. Here we go. This is the bottom. This is the top since 6 p.m. market open. Is it? Okay, market open at 6 p.m. We're 6 p.m. right here. Okay, this is clearly the high. So now I'm gonna mark this out with, come on, brother, please. There you go. Now I'm gonna make that yellow. There we go. Delete the box. Whatever I do to NQ, I gotta do to ES, right? So here I'm gonna do it on ES. So let's go to the 15-minute time frame. Here we are. Now I'm gonna mark it out on ES as well. There we go, right here. Come on. Thank you. So, brother. There we go. Line. Delete the box. Delete it. Thank you. So now, 1 minute time frame. 1 minute time frame. This is open. Let's see what open does. Come on, bro. Come on. Okay, there we go. Gonna zoom in. Okay, so let's see what this does. Okay, so just took out that swing low. Swing low, 857 swing low taken out. There is a bullish SMT right here. There is a bullish SMT right here. We took out the 830 low on ES, but not on NQ. So there is a bullish SMT here. Let's see what kind of reactions we get. Yeah, okay, zero reaction there. So probably won't take anything. That's not an hourly swing low, is it? Nah, that's... What does this look like again? Yeah, okay, we're having zero reaction to that. I don't give a damn about it. Okay. So let's see what happens here. I'm probably going to wait for price to retrace to the 50% to try to short from. Yeah, I would probably like that. Ooh, nice pump candle right there. So I was right. Let's get a tap. Let's get a 50% tap, buddy. Ooh, and what I like here is we made a beautiful bearish SMT. Took out this 910 high on NQ. You guys see this, right? Louis, you see this, right? 910 high taking out an NQ. 910 high, never taken out on ES. Where's the goddamn high? So obvious bearish SMT plus a 50% tap. Let's get some shorts. Give me a nice bearish OB. Bang, baby. Exactly what I said. Give me that damn OB. So yeah, I'm 100% taking it short. If it fails, I cry. Let me see. Oh, that's kind of a big gap. Damn. Eesh. How big is this? 755. Damn, 30 points. Fuck no. How do I measure my gaps? I just take my mouse and I here. Why isn't this going to the 1 minute? Hello. I just take my mouse and I look at, okay, this is 788 and this is 757, and then I just subtract it. Yeah, I know. That's I'm probably not gonna take this. I'm gonna look at ES if there's a better gap. Yeah, this is damn. So I'm gonna have to take this and just size down because this is the setup. Maybe if there's a 30-second gap, I would take it. Oh, what's good, him? Yeah, I was at the gym yesterday. I hit a chest. Anyways, let's do this right here. Gonna have to do it. There's no choice. No other gap. Maybe there's a gap on the 30-second, but TradingView's a bitch. It won't give me the 30-second on bar replay. So, anyways, I'm gonna take this 1 minute here. Come on. For the love of God. Come on. Okay. So I'm going to wait for this to give entry. Okay. Beautiful. I'm loving this, dude. This is looking like a great setup. Man, fuck you. How am I supposed to get in on that? Whatever. Fuck. Alright, give me 1 second, yeah? I mean, I would definitely be in this. I'm telling you that. Okay, so I'm going to get in here. I'd risk 650 bucks, right? So, let me see. Let's pretend the gap is over here. Let's just pretend the gap is over here. So I'm risking 650 bucks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's a bit too much. So buy one. Okay, there we go. So 615. I would chase it. This is exactly what I look for. Bearish SMT, obvious bearish trend, 50% tap, bearish order block. I would chase this. And I would hit TP because I'm amazing. So I would trim half over here. So 1, 2, 3. So you see I'm green, 350 bucks right there. SL to break even right here. Let's see. So I am green. If it comes back to hitting me out break even, dude. You know what I'm gonna do here? I'm probably gonna just stop to this bearish for value gap because that should protect me. That should protect me, and I just want my profits, man. I want to be on the charts as little as Emmy. What firms in order should I build allocation on? Bullinox, MFFU, and TPT. I'm gonna do Bullinox right after. Get a code Emmy and make everyone use it. But here, let's see. Okay, boom. You see that? I got some extra profits right there. You see that trail stop? I got some extra money right there that would have otherwise hit me break even. So let's see what happens here. Probably done for the day right now. I'm done for the day with that. I am done for the day. $500 green is good enough for me. So these 2 days, I'm up $1,000. How big was that gap? I'd honestly like to wait for retracement. This gap was about 30 points. I mean, I would still take it because you don't want to miss the whole setup, right? I wouldn't take the short anymore. I'm done for the day. And it just decides to chop. You see the power of just shutting it down and just taking your small hits? You avoid all that bullshit. Okay, you go back down to TP as expected. Let's see what it does now. Alright, so then it fucks around and then continues to dump. But yeah, I'm done. I am 100% done. Because, like, remember, there was no more sell-side liquidity here. So, yeah, let me write this down. So, yesterday I was green 500. Today I'm also green 500. So, I'm going to write this down. Where's my notebook? Okay. March 3rd, 500. Where's my pen? March 3rd, 500. March 4th, 500. Yo, solid retracement would have worked well, but either way, I don't really do retracements. Maybe if I'm in half, and then I'll enter on the retracement, and then on the retracement I'll enter my other half, but that's about it. Look, my trimming method is that I just trim half at 1R, and then I just keep trading stop, and that's worked for me. I haven't had a problem yet. Look, these past 2 days have been ass. They've been pretty choppy, but I'm still green $1,000, right? So let's go to select date. We're gonna do March 4th. Wait, no, not March 4th. I lied. March 7th. Gonna go 8:30 a.m. just to see if there's data wick. So let's go check. Select. What do we have? Okay, first I gotta delete all these drawings. Delete these drawings. Okay, so what are we looking at? Oh shoot, I gotta move to ES. I'm on ES. That's not ES. Boy, you know what I'm talking about. I'm not talking about no. Give me that. Bootleg ES they gave me. Alright. So now I have what? Give me a data week? No data week. You suck. Okay, so now I'm gonna go fast forward this to 9:30 a.m. Okay. Can you stop? I said stop. Stop. Good boy. Okay. Couple more candles. So you always do it based off RR. Nah, I hate trimming before 1R. Like I see absolutely no point in it. I think it kills your risk to reward. I know some of the big traders do it. I think you're stupid. Respectfully. I mean, okay, they're not stupid. Maybe they have a big buffer built up, but I just don't like it, right? I just don't like it. I don't want to sound judgmental. All right, here. Okay, wow, massive range. Look at this range. What the hell happened here? Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead, mark this out, mark this out. This is gonna be 50% of the range right here. Okay, and now I'm gonna do the same thing on ES. I just find that trimming at gaps works well too. Uh, I mean, I'll go break even at gaps if it's not above 1R. I need my 1R. That's it. Because look, the way I see it is, if the profits that you're trimming aren't enough to risk on another setup, I don't see the point why you would take that profit. Because if you can't risk it on a setup, why would you take the money? Because you're going to lose that money anyways in the future when you do lose. So at least make it enough that, you could lose it. Okay, anyways, going down to the hourly, I'm going to mark it hourly swing highs, hourly swing lows. I mean, this is an hourly swing low, but we already took that out. This is the next one. This is the next sell side liquidity. That's going to be black. Only the 50% level is yellow. For me, it's just a thing I do. Come on, dog. Please. Okay, 50. That's an hourly swing high, hourly swing high. Whatever we do to NQ, we got to do to ES. So I'm going to do the same thing over here. Okay, here we go. I'm going to move this thing out of the way. Ooh, we took out this one. We took this out pre-market, and it's having kind of a reaction to it, which is interesting. Anyways, that being said, this is an hourly swing high right here. Hourly swing high, and this is another hourly swing high. So, okay, now we got that figured out. Ooh, I would love shorts from here. It's an hourly swing high inside of a gap. I would definitely love shorts from there. That being said, let's go and see. Let's see what happens. Okay, I don't think I'm going to look for longs because we swept that at like pre-market. So I'm probably not looking for long. So I'm just going to wait to see what price does, honestly. Let's see what it does. Whole bunch of bullshit. Some more bullshit. Come on, bro. Hurry up. Okay, there is a bullish SMT right there. Would I take it? Ooh, I think I might take it. So we took out the low of day here on NQ. We didn't take the low of day on ES. So there is a bullish SMT. There is a bullish SMT right there. How big is this gap? Kind of like the reactions we're getting. 130. I kind of like it. I mean, it looks like it would have hit me break even anyways. So I would have entered. Okay, can I? So I would have entered over here maybe, like the 955 candle for this bullish SMT. Just taking this. Would I have taken it? This is the 949 candle that took out all of those swing lows. I don't know. It's not. All you have is bullish SMT, but it does have good momentum and a nice bullish order block. I'm gonna wait for something better. Yeah. I mean, I got hit break even anyway, so. So, kind of choppy. It's not too. Yeah, it's just small candles. Okay, we're about to tap 50 here. We never tapped 50, you whore. Okay, so nothing to take there. Let's see what it does now. Got that hourly swing low down there. Since when do you backtest? I mean, it's not like something I do. It's just something I do to like my students. Like when they ask me, when they want me to mentor them, and they want to know what strategy I do, I say, okay, if you want to know if I'm legit, pick a random day, and I trade it. And if I'm green over like a certain period of time, then we'll go to work. If I'm not, forget I exist. And I'm profitable, so obviously it works. Anyways, here we go. So I'm gonna wait for this hourly swing low to get swept here on NQ. Ooh, that's a beautiful reaction. That's a beautiful reaction to the hourly swing low. I love that reaction. Perfect wick. I'm gonna take this 1 minute long. Let's see if we get a entry over here. Okay. I think that's what's it gonna do. Okay, did we make a bullish SMT with that? Okay, no bullish SMT. I think I'm still gonna wait for this long over here. Let's see. Very wicky. Very wicky. Okay, that's a very strong confirmation right there. Probably gonna take this long over here. Let's see. Let's see an entry over here. Okay. Give me a bullish order block to give me an entry. Can you give me entry, buddy? What time is this? 11:20. I don't like this PA at all. I don't like this PA, dude. This is not good. Okay, now it's actually starting to look good. Okay, I think I'll take this now. I think I'll take this now. Because now the PA cleared up. I think this looks decent. I think this looks decent now. I think I'm going to take it. The momentum started to look good. Um, let's see if it chops us out. But nah, this is a valid setup, I think. It's just all the chop that you had that might make it fail. Okay, let's see if we get a bullish OB. Beautiful, bullish order block. Bullish order block. How much am I up right there? Let's see what my stop loss would be real quick. Let's see what my stop loss would be. Okay, I think I would go break even. I'm up like 0.6 R. I think that's enough to go break even. So I'd probably go break even right there. Beautiful. Okay, so how much am I up now? Okay, still no 1 R. So still no. I mean, maybe the stop loss is a bit broad, yeah? Okay. See what I would do? Come on, hit TP. You bitch. Okay, so I got edge and hit break even there. I think I'd just be done now. Yeah, fuck it. I'm not trading this. Not trading this, so today is no money. Let's see what it does. But I'm done. Okay, we do have a bullish SMT. We took out the low of day here on NQ. We just took out the low of day here on NQ, and ES didn't. So there is bullish SMT. Ooh. That's sexy. Ooh, that is so nice. That's a beautiful reaction. I might take it. I'm sorry. That's a beautiful reaction to the low of day sweep. Let me see. Ooh. Yes. What's good, Zach? How you been, brother? I think I'm gonna take this, guys. I'm gonna take this long. I'm gonna take this long on a 3 minute. It's a beautiful reaction. How much? 057. Yeah, I think I'll take it. 20 point break even, which is completely fine. Beautiful reaction to the low of day sweep. All right, let's see what happens. Beautiful. Um. Okay, how much is that up? Not nearly enough. Okay, come on, hurry up. Pick up the pace. Pick up the pace. Okay, back at entry. Bullish OB. What is it doing, dude? Man, this. Okay, so now it is chopped from 11:54 to 12:12. I'm 100% getting out break even. So I'm no longer in this. I'm getting out break even. Is it going to fly? I'm not. Yeah, you see that? Hey, I said I was. Okay, it hasn't failed yet. It hasn't failed yet. Let's see it. Okay, that's technically a fail. I think I would have been out. Yeah. Hey, I mean, that was a mechanical stop loss because it did close back under the fair value gap. It did, and it came very close to where my stop loss would have been. Maybe it would have been this. This is probably an L. I saved myself from an L right here. I'm not trading this, so yeah. So Tuesday is no money. I mean, the long was obviously playing out. It probably is going to play out, but if you go down to the 1 minute time frame, this is bullshit. This is some of the worst PI I've ever seen. Like a heartbeat in a hospital. So I'm not taking this shit. So I'm gonna record this real quick. March 5th is no money. March 5th is BE. So March 3rd was 500. March 4th 500. March 5th BE. So far we haven't taken a loss yet. Let's see if I jinx myself. So select dates. Let's see. March, yeah. March 6th. Gonna go check 8:30 a.m. Let's see if they got data wicks. Select. Bro, for next one, can you show how to mark? No worries, I got you. Okay, let's see what we got. Okay, I'm gonna drop down to the 1 minute time frame. Okay, we're on the 1 minute time frame. Go down to fuck you, man. Come on. Go down to ES. Okay, that's not a data wick. I don't think that's a data wick. That's a tiny ass data wick. Not really takeable. 730. Ooh, that's actually no. This is takeable. It's like 40 points. It's not bad. It's a 40 point data wick. Yeah, I would take this. How big is this? How big is this? This is 773 to 732. That's 40 points. Yeah, I think I would take this. Yeah, I only use swing high, swing lows for hourly liquidity too. The only time I use them on the 1 minute time frame is when I'm trading my stop. But I think I would use this as a data candle. So let's see if we can get a setup. Let's see if we can get a setup with this. There goes the high. No entry. No entry on the 1 minute, so I'm not taking this. Um. Okay, obviously no entry, so I'm not even looking at that. So now I'm gonna go down to the hourly time frame. Gonna mark out swing highs and swing lows. What do we got? Okay, this is a swing low right here. That's a swing low right there. I'm gonna go down to ES. Pick out the hourly time frame. What do we got? Okay, this is another swing low over here. Gonna do the same thing on NQ. Here's another swing low, up swing high. You see it, this right, Louis? This is the lowest point. It's a I don't know how to explain it honestly. It's the lowest point in three candles. One, two, three. This is the lowest point. Okay, that's a swing low high too. This is another swing high. All right. And for the swing high, it's the highest point in three candles. Anyways, okay, so now I'm going to go down to the 1 minute time frame again. 1 minute time frame, 1 minute time frame. Here we are. What are we at? This is 8:40 a.m. Speed up price to open. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. Okay. Let's see what are we at? Okay, there's 9:30 a.m. So right off the bat, we're about to sweep. I'm not even gonna mark out the 50% level because that's not even a problem here. The range is so massive. The 50% level, we're not gonna run into it for a while. So now I'm going to wait for this hourly swing low here to get swept. We edge it. Okay. Can you sweep the damn low? You're a bitch. Did we sweep it and I just didn't realize it? Oh no, we didn't sweep it. Oh, did we sweep it on ES? No, we didn't sweep it. Okay, I'm not taking this shit. There's not even any entry, even if I wanted to take it, so I don't feel bad. Okay, come down and sweep the damn low. Ooh, we can make a bullish SMT with ES. ES is closer to the hourly swing low. Take out that damn low. You're a bitch. Okay. Um. Okay, I think so. Now I'm probably gonna. Yeah. Okay, I think I'll mark out my 50% here just to see. It's still nowhere near us, I think. But here, this is okay. I'm gonna take my box. Okay. Okay, there we go. We're about to tap 50 right here. And I'm gonna look for shorts from there. Target the sell side liquidity of the hourly swing low. So there we go. Here we go. I'm gonna delete this black box. There we go. 15-minute time frame. I'm gonna do the same thing. Gonna do the same thing here. What do we got? Okay. Wait a minute. This is okay. Okay, there we go. Okay. Oh, we have. I make a bearish SMT here. I mean, I don't care about the SMT as long as I have my setup. I'm gonna take it. Okay, there we go. Delete that. Okay, I'm gonna look for shorts from this 50% level. So let's see what we can get. Okay, come up and tap it. Okay, that's a tap. Zero reaction to it. I mean, we still have ES. Okay, we're coming up above it, which isn't ideal at all. Okay, that's something. Okay. Okay, hey, okay, so the 1 minute reaction is terrible. 2 minute reaction is terrible. Interesting. We close over it on every single time frame. But even if I wanted to take a gap, what would I even take to short? I don't think I'm gonna take this. I don't think there's any clear entry over here. We close over on all the time frames. There's not even an entry, even if I wanted to take it. But look at that, it's working beautifully. Wow. No entry though. Literally no entry. And I don't want to enter all the way down here at 721. So let's see here. I'm not taking this. Not good, not good. Okay, so yeah, that's why I didn't take that. What time is press right now? 10:46 a.m. See if we can get a. Okay, we just tapped. Damn. Okay. We have bullish SMT right here. We have bullish SMT. We just took out this swing low from 1027, took it out on NQ. The same 1027 low, we never took it out on ES. So there is a bullish SMT here. Did we tap into a fair value gap? No fair value gap tap that I can see. Are we in the 15 minute? We are in a 15. Ooh, that's a nice reaction to the 15 minute. Hey, I might take this long. I mean, trend has obviously been bullish, so let's try a long. We just need us to close over the 50% level. So I'm gonna look for reactions. I need good reactions to actually take this bullish SMT 15-minute gap tap long. So let me see what we get. Let me see what we get. Bullish order block. Nice bullish order block. Okay, ooh, nice close. Okay, I'm gonna take this. Let's see. Okay, let's see what happens. Beautiful. Bang. Okay, there we go. See why I like my bullish SMT? Beautiful, beautiful. Okay. Okay, it still didn't hit. Okay, I'm sure it hit TP. Come on. Probably I would have. Okay, I would have entered there, that's for sure. Maybe my stop loss would be like around here. Okay, still didn't hit TP. Just gonna wait for it to hit 1R. I swear to God, if I get edged again, you're a bitch, bro. Okay. So I get hit break even. It came up to 0.93. Okay, I think I would have taken that. I do think I would have taken 0.93R in profit. I think I would have taken that. I would have taken profits there. It's tapping the 50% level again. Dude, you're so mean. Okay, I'm gonna re-enter on this order block here. Risking profits. Risking profits, I'm gonna re-enter on this OB. So I'm gonna enter here. So I'm just risking profits here. So it will be much smaller than that at least. Beautiful. There we go. Now we're talking. This is like 1R, yeah? Still not 1R. Can you give me a break? Help. What? What did it get to? Okay, I would have taken that's 1R. That's 1.1R. So I would have taken this. So now I'm green like okay, what's 300 divided by 2 is what? 150. So I'm green like 150 bucks over here. Wait, no, I'm green altogether 450 bucks. So I am green 450. I am done for the day. Looks like it's gonna hit break even, and it hits break even. So I'm done there. So 450 bucks done there. So that's a winning day. Let's see what it does. It chops. Who would have guessed? Look at that. Look at that big ass wick. I'm not trading that shit. So I am green. So March 3rd, 500 bucks. March 4th, 500 bucks. March 5th, break even. March 6th, 450 bucks. But I am green. Okay. Now let's see. Today's Thursday. I'm about to have a perfect week, folks. Another perfect week. And I mean, there's no way I'm gonna memorize March PA, right? And obviously the week wasn't good press action either. But we still doing it, baby. We still doing it. All right, 8:30 a.m. Let's see what we get. You. Come on, you better give me a nice looking candle. Data candle? Hell yeah, that's a data candle. That is a data candle. Beautiful data candle, dude. Beautiful data candle. Look at this. This is a beautiful data candle. Big wick on the downside, big wick on the upside. There's going to be so much liquidity here. It's going to be amazing. Ooh, man, I am so ready to use this. All right, let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. There we go. Remember, all this time, whenever I got bad PA, what did I do? I took my base hit and I left the chart and I went on to the next day, right? We've been green every single day this week, so let's see if we can get a good time here. So there's our data candle. We take out the high of that. We take out data high. So now I'm looking for shorts. I need to find a gap. No gap. Maybe there's something on the 30-second. Oh, come on. Don't do that. Okay, what I need here is a bullish manipulation leg. But there's no way I short yet. We are tapping the 50% level here. I'm not going to take a 50% tap here. Because why? Because I want the data high. I mean, I want the data low. I think data low is the target here. So I'm not going to take a tap. It's already going there. I just don't see an entry. Maybe there's something on the 2 minute. Nothing on the 2 minute. Nothing on the 3 minute. I mean, there could have been a 30-second gap here. There probably is a 30-second gap here, but I can't really prove it. And it's gonna hit. Okay, let's see. We made this tiny ES gap. 860. Okay, this ES gap is actually valid. Okay. I still think I would have been in this. I still think I would have been in shorts from a 30-second gap, but you know, TradingView doesn't give me the 30-second. So I'm gonna take this short off the 50% tap on ES. There we go. I think data low is the obvious target. Okay, so that's entry here. That's entry right here. I'm gonna be targeting data low. Right over here. Okay. Targeting that low. Stop loss will be like around here, right? Okay. So remember, I'm risking 650 bucks on this trade. Let's see what happens. Not out yet. Okay, so I'm not out there. Curious. What time is this? 8:51 a.m. Can't go break even. Terrible momentum. This momentum. There we go. I didn't know what price was doing. Okay, so I would be trimmed half there. So okay, I'm green 300 bucks now. So I'm green 300 bucks. SLR break even. Let's see if I can trail stop along something or what's up. There we go. Nice flush. Just keep flushing. There we go. Boom. TP hit, baby. So let's see. Full TP was at 3R. So really that's 1.5R because I trimmed half. 1.5 plus 0.5 is 2. So this was 2R. So this was $1,200. So March 7th was $1,200. So let's go over the week. So this was a perfect week. March 3rd was 500 bucks. March 4th was 500 bucks. March 5th was break even. March 6th was 450. March 7th was 1200. 500 plus 500, 1000, 1450, 1450 plus 1200. I keep forgetting I have a calculator, but I keep doing it by hand. 0562. So I was green 2,650 bucks this week and risking $650 per gap. So what's 2,650 divided by 650? Let me pull out my calculator. Long division, I'm gonna pull out the calculator for. Yeah, I'm not that old fashioned. 2650 divided by 650. 4R! Let's go! Per you see, I took this choppy ass week, this whole choppy week, and I got 4R profit. That's why I don't mind taking base hits of 0.9R. Because I know over the course of the week, if I stack those up, I'm going to be green. This is beautiful. Perfect week. Plus 4R on the week. That's wonderful. You guys got any questions? Any questions, folks? Were you guys even listening? Good? For sure. Louis, any questions, brother? All right. So we out here. Thank y'all for watching. I appreciate y'all for your time. This is great. Like, we should do this more often. Peter Yan is fighting. What's Peter Yan? Yeah, I'll definitely do this more often. This was a nice confidence booster. I took this choppy ass week and I got 4R, baby. Very validating. I still think I would have been in this short. I think this would have been 3R. Because I would have been in a 30-second short for sure. But, you know, I just can't use the 30-second. But yeah, y'all take care. Thank you for watching. Give me a second. Let me just close the recording here.